So what are reversal patterns? Reversal patterns is when price gives a specific pattern that you see often happen, right? And 80 to 70% of the time that you see that pattern, price reverses, right? That's what it's called, a reversal pattern, right? Some of these patterns look like this. Let's say price is going up, it dips down, it goes up to that previous high, and it doesn't go higher, and then it rejects and it dips down even lower than the previous low. Then that is called a double top, right? Because price got one top, hold up, boom, boom. Price got one top, two top, double top. The same thing, vice versa. When price goes down, up, down, rejects at the same level, and reverses, continuing up. Double bottom, right? Double top, double bottom. The same thing can happen if price rejects the same level 3 times, right? So let's say price goes up, rejects, and up a 3rd time and rejects. That's also a reversal pattern. It's called triple top. 1, 2, 3. And the same thing backwards. 1, 2, 3. Boom. You see? Oh. Boom, boom, boom. Right? So that's called a triple bottom. Triple top, triple bottom. Very simple. Now there's another pattern. This one is a little bit more stronger. It's more of a stronger confirmation or a stronger pattern that price will reverse. And this one is called a head and shoulders. It's drawn like this. Price goes up, down, it creates a higher high, it goes back down, and then it basically just mirrors itself. Right? And it's called head and shoulders. Very simple because you got the 2 shoulders, right? And then we got the head right here. Boom. So that's why it's called the head and shoulders, right? Very simple. And the same thing happens upside down. When price is going down, up, right? And it creates a lower low, up, down, up, boom. And that's called an inverted head and shoulders. Right there. Right? And this is how you will see these patterns. Oh, wait. Another one, real quick. Another pattern is just like this one. Like the double top, right? But this one, instead of price hitting that same top again, it creates a lower high. Let's say price is going up, right? And it creates a lower high. Boom. And then it continues dropping. So that's another type of double top pattern, right? Or like an M with a short leg. And that's another reversal pattern. The same thing happens backwards. When price goes down, comes up, goes down again, but creates a higher low, is indicating, okay, price is switching trends or price is switching direction, because now it's not breaking lows. It's not breaking lows. It's now creating a higher low, which shows or indicates that price is now uptrending. And the same thing for when price is doing it up or the opposite way, right? So this is how you'll see it in the markets, right? Right here, we have price going down, and what do we see? Very simple. I'm gonna show you. Right here, we see price create a head and shoulders. Inverted head and shoulders. Right here, this is one of the shoulders. Price went down, created the head, came back up, came down, created the other shoulder, and reversed. Boom. That's a head and shoulders pattern right there. Reversal pattern. Inverted head and shoulders, to be exact. And that's how we'll see, how you will see it, or how it will look in a candle chart. It may be a little bit tricky to see it at first, but after some time and after some experience you trading, you will begin to see it easily, right? And also here, if you look closely, we also have a double bottom. 1, 2, and then price reverse. So that's 2 patterns in one. Right here, we have double bottom. 1, 2. Right? That's 2 patterns in one. Now, if you were to look even closer, since we got this big wick in the bottom, that's also another reversal indication. Like the last one that I showed you, the last pattern, that price dipped lower, came up, and then creates a higher low, and then reverses. Boom. See right there? Price came low, and then created a higher low, indicating that the trend is changing, right? So that's how you will be able to see it in the charts. And right here for this example, we actually have all three patterns in one chart, right? We're gonna go over it one more time. Right here's the head and shoulders. One, dips lower, comes up, two, bump, and then reverses. Right, we got the shoulder one, shoulder two, and the head right here. Boom, and price reverses. That's an indication, right? And then right here we have the bottom. We have a double bottom. One, two, price touched twice and reject and reversed. That's another pattern. Okay, and then the third pattern will basically be this one right here. Price dipped lower, came up, and made a higher low, indicating that, okay, price is not breaking structure to the downside anymore. So now we're reversing, we're creating upwards price action that indicates we're in an uptrend now, not in a downtrend anymore. So that's another reversal pattern to look at. And this is how it will look in the chart, in the candlestick chart, right? And like I said, in time, you'll begin to see it as you get more experience trading and pay attention and spot out these patterns in live markets.